Increase the set temperature. And reduce the water flow. If this problem occurs during initial installation, ask an electrician to carefully check the wiring. The circuit connection may be incorrect. Check the power supply. Replace the temperature sensor and replace the heating element. If none of the above solutions work, please contact customer support.